Welcome to the Chiefs Arena. This is your latest Kaizer Chiefs transfer news. Kaizer Chiefs are reportedly in for Junior Zindonga. This is coming in from Sokala Duma. Well, it's that time of the season. Um, the transfer window period. Well, the transfer window is not yet officially open, but with just a couple of days before the season comes to an end, it is expected that teams will start making their moves right now. You know, so juniors in the look. If there's one thing I hate about the transfer window, people are very opportunistic out there. They are going to post anything, more especially with Kaizer Chiefs. You know, they link Kaizer Chiefs with every player for engagement. You know, for numbers. So that's the only thing I hate about the transfer window. You know, Kaizer Chiefs get linked with everyone. I look at Zindonga's stats: 27 games played, 17 starts, 2 goals, 2 assists. I mean, why the bloody hell would we be interested in a player with such stats? Why? But then, on the other hand, if you are sitting there and saying it with confidence, with chest, that Kaizer Chiefs would never make this type of move, well, you've been in ICU for the last 10 years, mate. Because I'm telling you, I wouldn't be surprised if there's something concrete behind this story. It wouldn't shock me. This is a Chadwick Morris signing. This is an Ikodaro signing. So I wouldn't be surprised if there's something concrete behind this story. I wouldn't be surprised. It wouldn't be the first time. We know how shit we are when it comes to transfers. So I wouldn't be surprised. And if this story is true, well, we are not a serious team. We are not a serious team at all. We have Flavio Silva, first season, he bags what, 11 goals, all competitions. Um, I think he had the most goals in the league. He scored the most goals in the league since Nukovic back in 2021. So we've set the standards. Now we have a striker who can give us 10 goals next season. But then we are going for a striker who has only scored 2 goals in 27 games. Bro, Kanyisa Mayo has also scored 2 goals. He scored, is it two? Yeah, 2 goals in the league. He played way less games. So this is a joke. I just hope this is not true. Yeah, I'm not even going to, lose my mind right now because um, there's nothing concrete as of now. But if this is really true, I'm going to lose my shit. I don't wanna lie. I am going to lose my shit. We need someone who's going. It would be better if we're going for Dion, the guy from Golden Arrows. I don't like him as a player. I don't rate him, but then I'd understand. Yeah, that okay. He has scored 14 goals. He's the top goal scorer. I'd understand. But as for this guy, 27 years of age, he's not going. When is he going to improve? He's not a player, a prospect, a player for the future. He's 27 years of age. He'll be 28 next season. So it doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense, and I hope this is not true. Let me know your thoughts down in the comment section. Smash a like. Thanks for watching. I'm out.